Science of fasting. Why your body loves it. Hi everyone, welcome to the Empowerment 888 channel. That's me, Nathan. Welcome back. The full secrets of fasting. What if I told you that one of the most powerful health tools has been around for thousands of years? It's not a superfood, a magic pill, or an extreme workout. It's fasting. For centuries, fasting has been practiced in different cultures, from ancient Egypt and Greece to religious traditions like Ramadan and Lent. But today, science has caught up, revealing that fasting does more than just help you lose weight. It can heal, repair, and even extend your life. So, what happens when you fast? How does your body react? And what are the real benefits? Stay with me as we uncover the full secrets of fasting, backed by science and real-life transformations. What happens to your body when you fast? Let's break it down. What actually happens inside your body when you fast? 0 to 12 hours. Your body is still burning the food from your last meal, using glucose as its primary energy source. 12 to 16 hours. Insulin levels drop, and your body starts switching from glucose to stored fat for energy, a process known as ketosis. 16 to 24 hours. Now things get interesting. Your body starts activating autophagy, a cellular cleanup process where old and damaged cells are broken down and recycled. Nobel Prize-winning research by Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi in 2016 confirmed that autophagy helps prevent aging and disease. 24 to 48 hours. Growth hormone levels increase by up to 2,000%, according to studies published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism. This helps preserve muscle mass while accelerating fat burning. 48 plus hours. Your body may enter deep cellular repair, reducing inflammation and improving brain function. Some studies suggest fasting can even regenerate immune cells. The powerful benefits of fasting. Now that we know what happens inside the body, let's talk about the benefits. 1. Fat loss and metabolism boost. When insulin drops, fat burning increases. A study in obesity reviews found that intermittent fasting is as effective as calorie restriction for weight loss, but easier to maintain. 2. Cellular repair and longevity. Autophagy helps clear out damaged cells and may reduce the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer. A 2019 study in the New England Journal of Medicine linked fasting to increased lifespan. 3. Brain health and mental clarity. Fasting boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports cognitive function. Ever notice that you think clearer when fasting? That's BDNF at work. Reduced inflammation and disease prevention. Fasting lowers inflammatory markers, reducing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic illnesses. 5. Better digestion and gut health. Your digestive system gets a break, allowing the gut lining to heal and balance good bacteria, reducing bloating and improving overall health. Types of fasting and how to start. Not all fasting is the same. There are different approaches, depending on your goals and lifestyle. 1. Intermittent fasting. 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. Perfect for beginners. 2. OMAD. 1 meal a day. You eat just once in a 24-hour period. Great for fat loss and simplicity. 3. Extended fasting. 48 to 72 hours. Deeper cellular repair and maximum autophagy benefits. 4. Alternate day fasting. Eat normally one day, fast the next. Effective for long-term weight control. To start, try fasting for 12 to 14 hours and gradually increase. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water, herbal teas, and electrolytes. Common misconceptions about fasting. Before you start fasting, let's clear up some common myths. Myth 1. Fasting slows your metabolism. Reality. Studies show that short-term fasting actually boosts metabolism by up to 14%. American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Myth 2. Fasting causes muscle loss. Reality. Fasting increases growth hormone, preserving muscle while burning fat. Myth 3. Fasting makes you feel weak. Reality: once your body adapts, fasting improves energy levels by stabilizing blood sugar and increasing mitochondrial function. How to make fasting easier. Fasting doesn't have to be difficult. Here are some tips to make it easier. 1. Start slow. Don't jump into a 24-hour fast right away. Begin with a 12-hour fast and build up. 2. Stay hydrated. Water, black coffee, and herbal tea can help curb hunger. 3. Eat nutrient-dense meals. Break your fast with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. 4. Listen to your body. If you feel dizzy or unwell, adjust your fasting approach. 5. Stay busy. Keeping active and distracted helps reduce cravings. Fasting is more than just skipping meals. It's a tool for better health, longevity, and mental clarity. Whether you're looking to lose weight, heal your body, or simply feel better, fasting can be a life-changing practice. What are your thoughts on fasting? Have you tried it before? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more science-backed health content. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, stronger you.